everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock your Google slide while working on your presentation. So the first thing you are going to do is come to the top right corner here and click on the waffle, and from the drop down menu you can go down to slides and select it to go to a new Google Slides page. Another thing you can do is write down slides.new in the search menu, and you will also be taken to a new Google Slides page. I already have one open for you. This is a new page. I just deleted all the distractions and the title and all of that stuff. You can even delete this here to make it yourself have a clear workspace. And then basically I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to start with an image. So I'm going to search it from the web, and I was looking for a map of the United States. So I'm going to maybe look for a map of the world, or whatever you like, whatever suits your needs. And I'm going to select this one. And if you select your image and click it 2 times, it automatically will bring it onto the slide for you. Okay. So once you do that, you are ready. I like the way it looks on my screen. I don't think I have to really manipulate it too much, but if you need to, at that point, you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever works for you. So right now I'm going to add a text box. You can add a text box from this menu here, or which is the T right here, the text box, or you can go to insert and insert a text box. Whatever works for you, whatever seems easier. Then you just open your text box, and I'm going to write a message for my students. You can write a message for whoever you're presenting to. So I'm going to say locate a continent on the map and write down its name. And that's my message for my students. And now that I have this information here, I'm going to go to File. Once I click on File, I'm going to go to Download, and a drop-down menu comes, and I'm going to go to PNG image. That's the best possible way to have your image with the high resolution. So that's the one I'm going to select, PNG image. Now that my image has been downloaded, it comes down right here. I'm going to delete everything. Now you might be wondering why I have deleted everything. I'll just show you in a little bit. So now that I deleted, I'm going back to the insert, and I'm going to go to image. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to right click. Right clicking will give me this menu here. Once I do that, I'm going to change the background, and I'm going to select image. Now, all you have to do is just that picture that was downloaded, you just drop and drag it right here. And there you have it. There's your image that you had created in the beginning, but we deleted it, but now we have it. This now makes it immovable. Nobody can move it. It's saved the way you had it. Basically, nothing can happen to it now. So now, if you want to create movable text boxes or editable text boxes for your students to play around with, now you can insert a text box. So basically, I'm going to select text box from the menu here, and I'm going to create a text box. This will help my students to write down the name of the continent, and then move the text box, and basically put it where they need it. Well, this thing is supposed to move. Yep, there we go. Okay, and then just put it where they see it fit. So okay, and so basically there you have it. That's an activity that you can give to your students. It's interactive and it makes learning easy. And I hope that this video helped you, and I'll see you again in my next one. See you. Bye-bye.